Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've been shopping on Amazon again, yes, smiley face Amazon, and yeah, I may just have used a VIPON coupon again, and I got something else that I needed, so let's have a look and see what we got. So, oh, it might just be another little pack of keychains that they had on special offer, and I've got myself some of those pens. Okay, let's look at the pens first. I have actually had these in PR packages in the past, and I really liked them. And then I saw that, oops, let me get them out of the packet first. Amazon has them on special offer at the moment. Crinkly packaging. And the Amazon pack also came with the refill wax as well. The one that I am using all the time at the moment, particularly on special drills, excellent on special drills these, I've actually run out of wax in it. So I was looking for the spare wax and I saw this offer at, I think, how much was it? £9.99 for the two, so like £5 each for the pen. We've just got hot pink wax in it, what else can I say? And the two refills. So, oh, this plane going over it made me jump. All right, let's just pop that out of the way. They are both identical. Right, so this actually comes with wax in it as well. If you look on my unboxings, I have actually got one of these pens that is completely see-through. Let me just see if I can unscrew this. Oh, it's that bit there that unscrews. Right. And you put the wax in the end there. I think you can see that there. So these little wax parts here go into the end here. And then it basically works as you move the screw mechanism down, it pushes the wax out of the top. A little bit like the silhouette pickup pens that I also use as well. But I find for special drill gems, and what I've particularly found is that it's really good for if you're using crystal gems, you know, if you're doing a special drill project and you've got all those sparkly gems, sometimes they seem to have a little bit of dust, a little bit of coating on them. And if you're using your normal wax and your normal pen, I find it goes really less sticky really quickly. So I find that now, if I use one of these, then it doesn't. So all you do it very gently to start off with, because it comes up sort of slowly, and then all of a sudden it pops at the top. So you don't want to end up with too much wax over the edge. You just want it so it's level with the top of your pen. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can sort of see that. And then literally you're just picking up your gems with that. And then, as I said, just to refill it, that's how you refill them. So a set of two, pink and white. You can't, for £9.99, I think was really good. And yeah, they're a nice size as well, a nice weight to hold. And obviously they get smaller as you turn your little screw at the end there. It just goes into here and pushes your wax out there, so you've got control over it as well. But yeah, I think you can see now that is just, I don't know whether you can quite see that, it is just sticking out slightly too much. So I may find that when I start picking the gems up that there's a little bit of residue, so I'll have to be careful with that one. But I will be using that one later today on some of my special drill projects. And then I've got the white one as well. So yeah, really good product, as I say. And I mean, the silhouette pens are £10 plus, so, and you don't get the refills with them either. So yeah, great idea. Love these, so I will be using that. Thought you might like to see that. As I have showcased them before, I have unboxed them, but I just thought you'd like to see the special set I got. And then yes, I've been using a VIPON coupon. Okay, and that's an app that you can get on your phone. It's VIPON, and I'm not affiliated. I don't get any commission. I get absolutely nothing for talking about them, but they are great if you're looking for bargains on Amazon. and just recently they have started putting diamond painting things on again. It's mainly been keychains. There have been some coasters. There was a little tool set that was half price on recently as well, so it's a case of you just have to keep going back and checking. Sometimes when you click onto you get the voucher and you click onto Amazon, once you click on the voucher on the web page, it does take you straight through to Amazon. The offer is already there anyway, but you maybe wouldn't have seen the offer without using the VIPON coupon. So swings and roundabouts. Sometimes I think the prices are a lot higher so that they can put the special offer on, but anyway, that's just my way of thinking on some of them. But these keychains have been excellent. These are normally £8.99 for 5, and I've managed to get them for £4.04 because I think there was either a 10% or a 5% voucher as well that I could use, probably because I've bought so many. Get them out of the packet and show you. Okay. I think they've probably thought, gosh, how many have you got? And I keep saying, I'm not getting any more, I'm not getting any more. And there's just sets coming out all the time. There's another really, really cute set on this morning. And I thought, no, I'm not going to order. I'm not going to order. I'm trying not to order anyway. I have got unboxings of all the other keyrings that I've done in the past couple of weeks. So, yeah, if you want to have a look at those. So, pen, boat and wax. The teeniest, tiniest little bag of keychain accessories that you've ever seen. I admire the people that have actually put these in these bags. It's amazing. So we've got the little ball and clasp little keychain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Okay, and then you pop that through your little lobster claw clasp there, and they're just those where you put the little ball end into there, into that little like opening there, and just pull across there, and it just fastens it on, and you just fasten those onto your keychains. You don't have to use these lobster claw clasps if you don't want to. These are my favourites in keychains because they're just so easy to take on and off, just using your little lever to take them on and off, because, oh dear, I do tend to struggle with those rings, you know, where you've got to part them apart and, you know, use 3 friends and an elephant to keep it apart so that you can thread things onto them. I found these a lot easier. I suppose it's because they're harder to get off as well. So if somebody's wanting to steal anything from you, and then they're harder to open if you use those ring ones. But definitely for putting on and off, these are easiest for me. And if somebody wants to pinch my keychain, oh, they can have it. I've got plenty. Only kidding. So that's 5 of those. Okay, we've got our packs of drill. Oh, they look interesting. And then this one is all like cakes and things. Now, oh, these are the same as the others I got. Very sticky. So they are double-sided. And then the acrylic ones. You have your little hole in the top there where your little chain goes through. So once you've got all your gems on, just thread that through. I would recommend sealing these, because if you're going to be using it as a keychain, it's going to get knocked and the drills are likely to slide or get pushed off. But if you put one of the sealers over the top, then it does sort of lock them in place, the drills and the gems in place, so you don't lose them. Okay, it'd be a shame if you did all that hard work putting all those gems on and then find that half of them have come off in the bottom of your handbag. So that is just so sweet. I've just realised it's a little house cupcake. So yeah, oh, imagine if you lived there. Trouble is, you'd probably eat your roof, wouldn't you? So you'd be sat there in your room and you'd be thinking, oh, just fancy a bit of that icing off that roof. And yeah, you'd be hollowing out your roof, wouldn't you? We've got, looks like cherries and chocolate chip sprinkles on that one as well. Ooh, we've then got a lovely, oh look, they are all little houses. A mug of hot chocolate house. Wow. So it's got like a candy cane handle and like a peppermint cane there stuck into the hot chocolate. Oh, I didn't realise they were all little houses. Oh, aren't these sweet? Okay, then we've got our lovely little teapot one. Oops, things are falling down. So yeah, again, all double-sided. That's quite sweet. Oh, I don't know which one I like best. I think I maybe like the hot chocolate. I'm feeling a hot chocolate mood today. We've got our little gingerbread house. That's a darker colour gingerbread. And the bushes are actually cupcakes. Look, that's sweet. Now we've got a cupcake on the roof as well, I think we have. Oh, that's wonderful. And cookies for the windows. Oh, that's lovely. And then the last one is... now then, this one looks more like a Christmassy gingerbread house, because this looks a bit snowy. Or is it just me? But yeah, this has got proper windows, look. But it looks like we've still got cookies either side as decoration there. Oh, I think they're lovely. And they are quite big actually as well. Let me give them a bit of a measure. So that is 9 centimetres across that way, which is about 3.5 inches. I think these are the biggest ones, so I'll give you the biggest measurements. By 3.5 inches, sort of 9-ish, 8.5, 9-ish centimetres. So they are a nice size as well. Great for fundraising. I mean, at £4, they're less than £1 each. So you could make a keyring, and I would think you'd probably get, well, at least £2, even £2.99 for one of these, particularly with them being double-sided and having the nice clasps as well. So if you're wanting to do craft fairs and things, I think these are really good. Oh, I'm quite impressed with these. Okay, mind you, I was with the others as well. What can I say? Everybody and his dog is going to be getting keyrings for birthdays and Christmases this year. Have a quick look at the drills. So, oh, lots of specials. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different gems and colours. Wow, lots of them. So we've got our lovely clear silver. We've got some nice palish pinky purple. Ooh, a deep red. A gold colour. Pale sea blue. And a little bit more mid blue. And then they're the gold ones that have the like pale goldy silver backing. And a couple of browns there. So they're probably going to be the chocolates and the houses. And that looks like another sort of browny greyish colour. Hot pink, we're calling hot pink. And then we've got 2 sizes in your little red round. So I think there's going to be a few things with cherries on top. Okay. Then we've got your AB coated, like reddy orange colour there. And then some larger rounds in the gold. So lots. Why does it not want to focus on the gems? That's it. Lots of different colours, so they'll be fun to do. So yeah, as I say, these pens, just going back to them, are excellent for picking up these type of crystals. Because as I say, they look nice and clear when they're in the packets, but I do tend to find that picking up crystals makes your gum, whatever you're using, less sticky really quickly. So I found that using this makes it just that bit easier, and you're not really wasting anything because you're just controlling how much wax is coming up, and you're not having to keep refilling your pen either because the wax is already there. It's only obviously once it's empty that you have to refill it. Well, you have to put your refill in, but yeah, I mean, that is an awful lot of wax in there, and that's going to take a long time to go down. So yeah, great fun, absolute great fun. Okay, so my little purchase today, well, a few little fun bits and pieces today from Amazon. I will put links down below if you want to go and check them out, as I say. And if you want to check out the VIPON app, VIPON, then please do so. So I don't get any commission or anything from it. I do just like sharing special offers with you. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.